Want to know how to use Google Lens on your smartphone? Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, the process is simple and works across both platforms. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to use Google Lens for identifying objects, plants, or even finding matching items online. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone's App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, go to the App Store. Search for the Google app, or if you prefer, you can also use Google Chrome. For this tutorial, I'm using the Google Chrome. If you don't already have it installed, download and install it now. Once installed, open the app to get started. Inside the Google app, you'll find Google Lens integrated right into the search bar. Look for the little camera icon next to the microphone, tap on it to launch Google Lens. You can immediately use it to scan objects. For example, you could point your camera at your plant, and Google Lens will analyze the photo, showing visual matches of similar plants. Scroll through the results for more details. Want to scan something else? Maybe an electronic item like a mouse or a pair of shoes. Snap a picture of the object, and Google Lens will identify it. For instance, I scanned a mouse, and it quickly identified it as a mouse, even showing me where I can buy it online. I hope this guide helped you get started with Google Lens. If it did, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.